Hey, this is Stacy from Let's Cook, y'all. Welcome back to our channel. We are back for another grocery haul and a meal plan. I also have a question of the day that will be at the end, so stick around and answer that. Real quick, we went to Kroger late on Sunday before the Super Bowl, which was a big mistake. It was crowded and they were out of a lot of things and low on a lot of things, but I will start with what I got. I believe the amount I spent was 60 something. I'll put the amount and as many of the prices as I can below. Two things that I know were $6 worth of milk. The Fairlife was on sale for $2.99 each, and $6 worth of eggs. They were on sale for $2.97 each. And I believe the butter was also on sale for $2.99 each, so that was 18 bucks right there. Also got some juice, some heavy whipping cream for a recipe, some cream cheese for a recipe and a dip, bacon for a recipe, and crescent rolls for a recipe. So that's the cold stuff. The pantry items is to restock tortilla chips, some apple juice, some cereal. I like this Mom's Best particular brand. It's what I eat only on Sundays. Also pantry items, breadcrumbs, stone ground mustard, corn, and I made a little cherry cobbler last week, so that's to restock my cherry pie filling. Everything else is free in produce. Some broccoli for a recipe, some lettuce for the week. They were completely out of all containers of baby spinach, the bags, the plastic clamshells, so I had to buy the regular, really large spinach, and it was $3 and something for that one bunch. I wasn't not happy about that, but that's part and parcel of going late when they're wiped out. Some mushrooms for a recipe, some avocados, they are on sale too for $1 this week, some carrots for a recipe, some bananas, some buns for the menu I'm fixing to show you, and this was my one Friday item. It was expiring, I think today or tomorrow. Some Chobani smooth yogurt was free from several Fridays ago. So that is my quick, sorry about that, very quick Kroger haul, and I'll show you the menu next. Here's what the menu looks like this week. Sunday we ate out after church with some friends. We ate a little too much. We weren't that hungry for the Super Bowl. We just had some wings, and I tried a new recipe for a buffalo chicken dip that we both liked. Monday is the first of two new recipes I'm going to try in the Instant Pot this week, although I believe both of them can be done either on the stove or in a crock pot. This one is a chicken and rice. I'm going to also have some broccoli and salad on the side. Tuesday, we're going to go back to Taco Tuesday, probably do a big taco salad with all the fixings on the side. Wednesday, I've got to make some food for Bible study, so I'm going to take some meat out of the freezer, some French dip we'll just have on those buns you saw in the grocery haul, and some fries and fruit. Thursday is my designated night for leftovers. Friday, I will try, hopefully, my second new recipe of the week for a Tuscan chicken pasta, which I know can be made on the stovetop. That's where the recipe came from. And Saturday, we'll probably eat leftovers or sandwich for lunch, and then we're going to a birthday party that night. So that is the menu for the week. My question is about the Super Bowl. Did you watch the Super Bowl? And if you did, what was your food? What did y'all have? What did you like to eat? What's your favorite food? Nachos, wings, pizza? What was your Super Bowl food? So leave me a comment and answer my question. And thank you so much for stopping by to see what we got at the grocery this week, what we're planning on eating. We do this every Monday, and next Sunday there'll be a wrap-up of what we actually did eat. Sometimes I stick to the menu, sometimes I do not. So thanks for stopping by. Like, comment, and subscribe if you hadn't already. We appreciate you stopping by. Let's Cook, y'all. Have a blessed day. Bye.